Day 8 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I give you one new car wrapping tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. When working in this area right here on the sunroof, you have to let the sunroof retract back and then created a small relief cut because trying to force this in doesn't work that way. We'll peel back. With your glove on, go a little bit deeper each time. Start at the top of it and work your way down into it. Do not try to do this in one swoop. We're gonna cut another relief cut to make sure that all of the tension is cut out of it and not wanting to make this area peel back. Now we've cut the relief cut, warm it back up again. And now I can fully feel that it's all the way down in the curve. Come and join our class so we can teach you more tips and tricks just like this. Day 9 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I teach you one new car wrapping tip for the next 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. Knifeless tape. I'm about to show you how to make sure that you can overlap your knifeless tape. You don't ever want to butt seam it. It doesn't really work that way. So let's lay our knifeless tape down. Now that we have our knifeless tape, we're just gonna lay a small sample piece. Fold over the knifeless tape, press down, quick pull. Once you get to the vinyl part, press down again and do a quick pull as well. Go all the way across. We'll take off this top one and then remove the knifeless tape that we just laid down. And this is where most of y'all get confused at. Do not put your knifeless tape right here on this edge. Instead, you want to put your knifeless tape directly over the vinyl that you just placed down. Now we'll put our other piece directly over it. Now, let's do the same thing. We pull the knifeless tape again. All we're gonna have is just a small overlap now. Day 10 is the most powerful tip that I can ever provide. I should have put it as day 1. This is the most powerful tip that I can ever provide. Day 10 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I teach you one new car wrapping tip each day for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. How to squeegee. I know this is day 10. I know you wanted this. Actually, it's supposed to be on day 1 because this is the most powerful tip that I can ever provide. First off, you always want to practice. If your vinyl has a plastic cap on it and it is not 3M, take it off. Do not begin starting to squeegee right now. Here's how to glass it out. I'm gonna take one corner, pull, tack it down. Read your wrinkles like I showed you in day 1. Pull here. Now adjust as needed. What I'm seeing right now, it is glassed out. Now we can squeegee. Put some soap and water on your squeegee so that way it glides a lot smoother. You want to start down the middle. At an angle. Do not squeegee straight. At an angle. When you get to a body line, do not use your squeegee. Use your glove. Then go back to your same squeegee strokes and finish it out. Repeat on the other side now. Like and follow for more tips like this. In day 11, this one is a lot of pain points for many people. I know you're probably learning how to wrap on YouTube and you want to learn more on it, but you don't know the right places to go to. Well, guess what? We have classes every other month to teach you how to wrap cars properly and even do stuff like this because our previous class did this. So I suggest you go ahead and subscribe to our channel, reach out to us, and be sure to sign up for our classes because these classes get better and better. I look forward to seeing you in our class. Don't sit here and heat it and then try to pull for dear life, trying to get this down smooth. Day 11 on car wrap tips for beginners, where I teach you one new car wrap tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. Stop pulling when you're about to get to the edges of the hood. It doesn't make sense. You're about to tuck and cut right there and it's gonna peel back on you. It doesn't work like that. Instead, relax the vinyl run your thumb over the top edge of it. Now we're gonna go over the middle edge of it. Lastly, we're gonna go over the bottom edge. That way it can stay clean and not peel back on you at all. Come and join our class so we can teach you more tips and tricks just like this. Burning a hole on the corner? Pro car wrappers laugh at beginners when you do this mistake. Day 12 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I teach you one new car wrapping tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. Tucking and cutting corners. Don't burn a damn hole. Stop popping it. Whatever y'all want to call it, stop it. Just because it tucks around the edges doesn't mean that it's the correct way to do it. Warm up the vinyl first without pulling. Now you can pull and lock it in. Now you can finish off your cut right there. Join our class so we can teach you more tips and tricks just like this. This is the most satisfying part of wrapping. Day 13 on car wrapping tips for beginners, where I teach you one new car wrapping tip for 30 days straight so you can perfect your craft. Wrapping this door handle or door cup handle area. Wrapping this area. First, let's understand the basics. Run your finger around the edge, just very lightly. Do not push down hard in these areas right here. Once we have it warmed up, now you put on your glove. If you already have your glove on, wait 2 to 3 seconds and run your finger down the middle. Once you do that, you can go in one direction in a curved motion and slowly push that air out. Now you can do the other side. Now just finish it off, running your finger just around that edge. Now everything is laid down, looking nice, like a pro that you're becoming. For more tips and tricks just like this, watch our online wrap class.